Your high energy bill might be telling you that your HVAC system needs replacing. Were you shocked by your last energy bill? It may not be the price of the energy, but a sign that your HVAC system needs to be replaced. Something as simple as a faulty thermostat can affect your system's efficiency and raise your monthly costs. It may also be that your current system was installed incorrectly and runs poorly. If you think that your air conditioner may have frayed wires, failing parts, duct leaks, or is just getting older, it might be time to start fresh with a brand new system. A new system installed by a certified HVAC technician is the best way to ensure you keep your energy bill down in the long term. Learn more about air conditioner replacement services by calling Kubler Mechanical in Port St. Lucie, Florida at 772-222-3768 or visiting their website at kublermechanical.com.